Welcome to Amuswa's Kitchen. Bread chicken pizza balls. Let's start making. Heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons oil. Flame low. 1 teaspoon ginger, garlic paste. Sauté few seconds. $250 shredded chicken. We boiled the chicken with salt, ginger, and garlic paste. Cook 1 minute. ½ teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon crushed red chili. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix. ½ cup chopped onion. 1/2 cup chopped capsicum. 1/2 cup chopped tomato. Tomato seeds have been removed. 1/2 cup boiled corn. 2 tablespoons chopped black olive. Cook for 1 minute. Three tablespoon pizza sauce. 1/2 teaspoon pizza seasoning, optional. Mix well. Now turn off the flame. Add 1 cup mozzarella cheese. Mix. Pizza filling is ready. Now keep it aside to cool. 1 egg. 1/2 cup milk. If you prefer, you can also make a slurry of just flour and water. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. Beat well. Bread slice. Cut edges. We will make breadcrumbs for the edges later. Normal water. Dip the bread in water. Squeeze the water out by pressing it with your hands. One tablespoon prepared pizza filling. Make a ball like this. Dip in egg slurry. Coat with bread crumbs. Similarly, we prepared 16 balls. If you want, you can make balls like this. Put them in a Ziploc bag or airtight container and freeze them in the freezer for up to a month. Heat the oil. Fry the pizza balls on medium to low flame. Flip after 2 to 3 minutes. Take out after getting a nice golden color on both sides. Serve with ketchup, mayonnaise. Crispy. Inside soft.